This is Nick Edmund from Richmond Scientific. I'm just going to go through the workings of the Vindon Scientific cooled environmental chamber. It's basically, first things first, you can see these are the two ultrasonic generators at the bottom here. These are sitting on the styrofoam pads. So for the purposes of this, I'm going to give you the demonstration. You can see here that normally this would be used, and you'd normally have racks in for the samples, but in the case of yourselves, obviously you didn't want the racks, and you're going to put the concrete cubes on the bottom here. So if we just come in here, and I can show you the ultrasonic generator. You can see there's a float switch there, and there's water inside here. Ideally what you want is water in here. As soon as the water starts to drop, what you'll find is that the generation of steam will cease, so it's important that these are kept topped up. So what I tend to do is just have a little bucket there, just top them up, touch, you can see there, that's topped up. Okay, put the lid on here like that. It's not a bad idea just to have a little gap there. It allows the free flow of steam to come out of there. Same with the other one. Let's just go over to this one. Hopefully you can see this here. Again, if we just top this up now. Okay, that's fine. See the level there at the top of that second sensor there. And again, inside here is a small ultrasonic generator. It's not a bad idea every once in a while just to tickle that with a wire brush and make sure that that's clean. If you get any crud on there, dirt or a bit of mildew or whatever it might be, then obviously it won't generate. So what we now need to do is just put the top on there and make sure that there's a little bit of a gap. The same on that one, you can see there's a gap on both of them. And then what we'll do now is we'll just close the door and we'll start the cabinet up. So first things first. Okay, power supply is on, power plug's at the back. So first thing we'll do is switch the mains on. We'll then switch the fridge control on and the humidity control. The temperature is determined with this thumb wheel here. So we've set it just a little bit above 20, round about, showing about 24, which is actually 20 inside here. Okay. This safety here, this is the temperature cutout. That doesn't need to be adjusted. That's been set, so you don't need to worry about this. This is the important one that you need to look at. So I'm going to set this. So what you will do is press F1. Once that starts flicking, you can then change that. So let's set it down from 65 down to 50. I think is one of the set points that you need. 50%, press F1 again, which sets it. Okay, what we're now going to do there, you can see that the temperature is set at 20. This is the temperature display here. So we'll now see this temperature start to rise. And you can see that it's starting to rise now as we're talking. We just have a quick look in the cabinet here. Okay, what we'll now see here, take that off here, you'll see that the humidity, okay, just move that up, it's set at 54, so it's not generating because we set the set point to 50. So once that starts to drop, you'll hear the solenoid kick in, and then it will start to generate humidity. So what I'm now going to do is set it up to 65. So again, press F1, wait until it flickers, and then press it up here to 65. Two set points that we're going to be testing today are 65% RH and 50% RH at 20 degrees. Okay. We'll now press, let's just set that again, F1, starts to flash, okay, 65%, confirm that, you can see the relay 1 is on, and you'll see that humidity will now start to climb. So we'll just watch that now. see 58, 59, 60. You can see the humidity is starting to rise, as the temperature is starting to rise, 17 degrees, 61 RH, 62, 63, 64, 65. Temperature will be going up here as well. We'll just have a quick look inside the cabinet now. You can see it's hit the set point, so what's happened is that the humidity is switched off. You can hear it, so let's just have a little listen here. It's set at 65, the relay is on. You can see the humidity now is starting to rise again. As I've opened the door, and 65. Okay, what we'll do is I'll now turn the video off, and then we'll do video 2 and wait for the temperature to come up, and then I can show you video 2.